What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we're helping you feel successful at dinner time with super simple and delicious recipes. Today, I am sharing with you a dinner recipe from our 30-minute dinner recipe series. We're going to be making a Cajun salmon that from start to finish will be on your table in 30 minutes, maybe even less. So stick around today. We're making Cajun salmon for dinner tonight. All right, there's really just 3 parts to this recipe. We're gonna make a Cajun seasoning, pop it on the salmon, pop it in the oven. So simple. For the Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, that's my favorite, then 1 teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. Then we're gonna go in with half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon each of cayenne pepper, and dried thyme. If you like it spicy, add some more cayenne pepper. All right, make sure you get that mixed up really well so that there's no clumps left. Now, preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and we're gonna prep a baking sheet with a little bit of parchment paper, a little spray. Then you're gonna take 6 to 8 ounce salmon fillets. You could make more if you want. Mine had skin on this day, but if you can find some that are skin off, do that. Cover them in olive oil, and then I like to use this tool. It is sometimes called a pastry brush. This one is a silicone pastry brush or a barbecue brush, and brush all sides of the salmon with that olive oil so it coats all sides. That will prevent it from sticking and will help it cook up really nice. It also is going to help this Cajun seasoning stick to the salmon. We're going to divide all of that Cajun seasoning across the 4 salmon fillets. Now, if you have salmon that doesn't have skin on it, then go ahead and put that Cajun seasoning on all sides. We're going to pop this in a 400-degree oven for just like 12 to 14 minutes. The salmon only needs to come to about 135-degree internal temperature for it to be cooked through and to be absolutely perfect. Delicious. These smell absolutely incredible. So simple. So what I'm going to serve these with is some Cajun rice, and I will link that recipe for you down in the description box. There's also a recipe for a Cajun aioli that is so good with the salmon. It basically uses the same ingredients of that spice mix, but mixed with mayonnaise. So I'll link that down in the description box for you as well. And then I'm just gonna do some roasted broccoli or green beans with this salmon. And dinner's done in 30 minutes. So I hope that you try this Cajun salmon recipe in your kitchen and it helps you feel like a success at dinner time. Join us next week on Tuesday for another dinner recipe video of something you can make in your kitchen. And as always, we would love to have you join our community by signing up for our newsletter. There will be a link in the description box. In your inbox, you'll get all of the new recipes, all of the new videos, everything that's going on, as well as once a month, we send out an exclusive recipe to newsletter subscribers. So we would love to have you join. You can unsubscribe anytime, don't worry. And until next week, have a wonderful week ahead. See ya.